Using Koha, a circulation tutorial. Before circulating your collection, you will want to set your global system preferences, basic parameters, and patrons and circulation rules. There are several ways to access circulation functions. For a complete list, see the circulation page, which is linked from the top left of every page or from the center of the main page. Please note the existence of hotkeys. You can jump to the catalog search using Alt-Q, jump to checkout with Alt-U, jump to check-in with Alt-R. Mac users should use the Option button in place of Alt. To begin the checkout process, you must enter the patron barcode or part of their name. The checkout option appears in three main places: the main staff client, the patron record, and the quick search bar. When checking an item out, first search for the patron. At the top of the checkout screen is a box for you to type or scan the item's barcode into. Many modern barcode scanners will send a return to the browser, making it so that the checkout button is automatically clicked. If the barcode is not found, you will be prompted to use fast cataloging to add the item. Below the box for the barcode, there may be options for you to override the default due date for the item. At the bottom of the page, there is a summary of the patron's currently checked out items along with due date. Items checked out today will appear at the top. Holds and notes may also appear. Once you have checked out all of the items for the patron, you can print them a receipt by choosing one of two methods. First, you can simply hit Enter on your keyboard or scan a blank piece of paper with your barcode scanner. The idea being that you're checking out a blank barcode, which triggers Koha to print the quick slip. The second option is to click Print at the top of the screen and choose Print Slip or Quick Slip. To check items out, clear the current patron by clicking the X in the top right of the patron's info to remove the current patron from the screen and start over. Please be aware of checkout messages. A patron may owe too much in fines. A patron may have been barred from the library. The patron may need to confirm his address. Or the patron may have lost his library card. You should also look for checkout warnings, such as if the patron has outstanding fines. An item may be on hold for someone else. Perhaps the item should be on the hold shelf waiting for someone else. The item may not be available for loan. The patron may have too many things checked out. The item may not be able to be renewed, or a barcode may not be found. To renew items checked out to a patron, visit their details page or checkout page and review their checkout summary at the bottom. There are several ways to check items in. You may use the main staff client, the quick search bar on the circulation page, or the patron's checkout summary. To check items in, scan the barcode for the item into the box provided. A summary of all items checked in will appear below the check-in box. If you are checking an item in at a library other than the home branch, a message will appear asking you to transfer the book to the home library. After this item is checked in, the status of the item will be changed in the catalog to In Transit. To mark the item as back at the home branch, check the item in at the home branch. If you're checking an item in that has a hold on it, you will be prompted to confirm the hold. Clicking the Confirm Hold button will mark the item as waiting for pickup from the library. Circulation messages are short messages that librarians can leave for their patrons or their colleagues that will appear at the time of circulation. Circulation messages are set up as authorized values. To add or edit circulation messages, you want to work with the Bore Notes value. If you would like to add a message, go to the Patrons Checkout tab where you will see a link to add a new message. Choose who the message is for, be it the librarians or the patron, and then type the message you would like to leave. Circulation messages meant for the staff will appear on the patron's checkout screen. Circulation messages for the patron will appear when they log into the OPAC. There are several ways to place holds from this client. You can use the Place Hold button at the top of any bibliographic record. You may use the Place Hold link found at the top of your catalog search results, or the Holds link found below each result. Holds can be altered and canceled from the Holds tab found on the left of the bibliographic record. From the list of holds, you can change the order of the holds, the pickup location, and/or cancel the hold. When you receive a hold, confirm and transfer the item, or confirm the hold. To transfer an item, first click Transfer on the circulation page. Enter the library you would like to transfer the item to, scan or type the barcode on the item you would like to transfer, and then click Submit. The item will now say that it is in transit. Please note that the item shows the same home library, but has updated the current location to note where it resides at this time. By default, you will enter the staff client as if you are at your home library. This library will appear at the top right of the staff client. To change the library, click Set at the top right or on the circulation page. Librarians with fast cataloging permissions can quickly add a record for items not in the catalog. You can access the fast cataloging form from the circulation module screen or the checkout screen. You will see the option after a scanned barcode is not recognized. Enter the cataloging data on the first form. Then enter the item data in the item form. The item will automatically check out to the patron after fast cataloging. Several circulation reports are available. Holds queue will show you all the holds available at the library. Holds to pull will show all the items held which are available to pull from shelves. Holds awaiting pickup will show a list of items already pulled from the shelves. Hold ratios report how many holds are placed on one item. Transfers to receive gives details on items in transit to your library. Overdues lists all items overdue. Overdues with fines lists only overdue items for which fines are owed. This is an example of a holds queue. There are two ways to track the use of items within a library. The first is to check out items used in-house to a statistical patron. Or you can set the Record Local Use on Return preference to record and check in items used. A feature of Koha allows you to set new items to temporary locations such as In Processing or Book Cart. Koha features a basic self-checkout interface, which will first need configuring. To set up, first, set the web-based self-check preference to enable. Create a staff patron to enable permissions. Add the following to the intranet user JS system preference. You can also modify this link to access the module. After logging in as a staff patron, enter the patron number. Check out items and click the button when done to log out. Finally, there are two options for offline circulation. First is a Firefox plugin. Once downloaded and installed, an icon will appear at the bottom of the Firefox window. Second is the offline circ tool for Windows. This tool will generate a KOC file, which can later be uploaded into Koha using the offline circulation file uploader option on the circulation menu.